discuss about distance and displacement. In general, we move from one place to another place. For example, if we are moving from point A to point B, there are definitely several ways. One can move from point A to point B in the path 1 or path 2 or path 3 or in this path 4. So, in any path one can reach from A to B. All these path lengths are called as distances. So, can you say that distance is unique? Not necessary. Distance can be any. If he is moving in path 1, this is the distance. If he is moving path 2, this is the distance. If he is moving in the path 3, this is the distance. If he is moving in the path 4, this is the distance. So, there are several distances. Now, what is the distance? The distance means the path length is called as a distance. If you can observe the paths 1, 2, 3, 4, among all the paths, one path is very special. Can you identify that? Yes, right. That is path number 2. This path number 2 is very special. Why it is very special? Because it is the shortest path among all the 4 paths. It is a straight line path. It is the shortest path among all the 4 paths. From this figure, it is very clear that path 4 is greater than path 3. Path 3 is greater than path 1. Path 1 is greater than path 2. In converse, we can say that path 2 is the least path and this is called a shortest path. The shortest path has a special name, that is displacement. What is displacement? The shortest path length is called as displacement. Now, can we relate distance and displacement? Yes. This is distance, but this is not a displacement. This is distance, but this is not displacement. This is distance, but this is not displacement. This is also distance, and this can also be called as displacement. Means a displacement can be called as distance, but a distance cannot be called as a displacement. See, this distance is equal to displacement. This distance is greater than this displacement. Means we can say that the displacement can be equal to distance or less than the distance. So, now let us conclude. We can call displacement as distance, but we cannot call distance as displacement. All the displacements can be called as distances, but all distances are not considered as distances. Only the shortest distance is called as displacement. This is the end of the concept of distance and displacement. In the next video, let us discuss about the numericals based on distance and displacement.